Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're checking out another VR accessory for your Meta Quest 3 headset. This is a carrying case by ZOOS. In this one I will show you what it looks like, how to put your Quest 3 into it, and give you my review of it. It retails for $50 Canadian. I will link below where you can find it. If you haven't already checked out my other VR accessory reviews, I'll link that playlist below for you as well. Let's jump into reviewing this one. Alright, let's open this one up here. Carrying case for Meta Quest 3. There's a little sticker. I'm just kind of ripping it. It just came in a plastic bag in the mail. It wasn't like it came in a box or anything. Overall, first glance, hard shell, fabric, nice little handle on top. We got two zippers. Looks like there's going to be some type of strap that you can put over your shoulder or something. Yeah, open this up. Alright, it's got compartments there for everything. Zipper top up here, there's your little strap. So there's a zipper pouch, as you can see, and then behind the zipper pouch you can fit stuff there as well. A little buckle here to keep everything in once they're in there, that you can have in there. The controller's in first. I'm assuming one has to go in a certain side. There we go. Put those around the back. We'll do the same with this side. That looks good. I've got the charging cord here as well. The block part just squishes right in there. The cord can either go, you could put it in the zipper part, or you can just tuck it in behind there. These little two holes are for batteries if you have extra batteries that you want to put on. I don't have extra batteries I'm going to put in there right now, but that's where they can go. And then we'll slide this in here. That fits in nice and snug. We'll fold this over top. This is just a stretch. And there we go. Let's put it over top. Oh, that actually fits really good. Nice and snug. Zip it up. There you go. Now I'm shaking it, there's a little bit of movement. I'm assuming those are the controllers that are moving more so than anything else, because the headset itself seemed very secure in there. Or the cord as well, actually. Those controllers are in there good. It'd be the cord that was moving in there. And here we can check out the shoulder strap. You may as well look at that and see how this is. That actually feels like pretty good quality. And it'll be really easy to put on because there's just little clips there. So you can easily slide these clips and clip those into place. There you go. And then adjustable right here for longer or for shorter. Okay, so looking at this, my overall thoughts are it's a nice hard case, it's durable. I believe it is waterproof as well. So you're not going to be too worried about getting things in it. Obviously around the zipper, stuff can happen. Very compact. I like the design with the three little pieces like the cameras on the front of the Quest 3. Space for a few things back here. If you were to put anything else in the pouch, there would be that cushion space here. I'm not sure exactly what you would want to put in there. Maybe some controller covers could fit in there. The only downside that I find to this case is it really only fits what you see here. Like you couldn't fit another head strap that isn't this head strap here, like any battery head straps or comfort head straps that have kind of the hard back wouldn't be able to fit in this case. So that is the only downside. But if you're just using the Quest 3 as it is, this is an awesome case. I really like how tight everything fits in there and snug it all feels, and just how it closes nicely like that. I know that sounds weird, but a lot of cases don't close tight around whatever it is, right? Whether that be the Quest 3 or Quest 2 or whatever VR headset you're using. For the price point, you're looking at around $50 Canadian. So maybe around 35 American, which isn't bad for what it is, for sure. There's a lot more expensive cases, and there's cases that are around the same price that might be able to fit a little bit more in it overall. But if you're just using the Quest 3, again, as it is, without any accessories or minimal accessories, I think this is a great little case to use. So thank you for watching this one. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, please do so. I've been posting some new ones for Quest 3 accessories, and will continue to do so over the coming months here. Again, thanks for watching this one. We'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.